Consider you're working as a project manager and a lot of clutter objects are added into your project management user board or storyboard or project board, and you're unable to find out the solutions, and your business team is requesting you to create crystal clear report showing all your projects which you are handling with their capacity, with the story points details, how much resources are occupied, what all project status are. Finding those details are not easy in Rally. You have to create entire plan for it, and how you can do the capacity planning in Rally board will show you in detail. Hi everyone, I'm Deepak Rai. I'm going to show you how to create capacity planning in Rally in 2025. If you don't know about Rally or see Agile Central, feel free to refer my entire Rally playlist. I've already covered a lot of videos on this, which is helping a project managers or tester or any user who is using this Rally in their day-to-day life for project management goal. If you have any queries, comments, or feedback related to Rally, feel free to add in the comment sections. To begin with it, we have to navigate into the portfolio. And before that, there's an important pointer I wanted to mention. To manage capacity planning, you need to have the OKR board permissions, or you need to have the plan permissions allocated to your account. If not, then you won't be able to do the planning or capacity planning. First of all, what is capacity planning? Capacity planning is showing high level detail of your projects, how your team is progressing, what is the status of it, what details your team is doing, what is the sprint progress, where your team is lying. These all details you can easily see it in capacity planning, where you can even do the estimation for multi projects. It doesn't mean that it will be done just for just one project. You can even create it for multiple projects together. Consider you're working as a shared resource as a project manager for multiple projects. So multi-project capacity planning can be also done in Rally. Let me show you how we can achieve it. Click on portfolio and then you'll have capacity planning. Older releases, you can see it, or you can do it for the newest releases as well. Create new. Here you have to add your capacity plan name. So I'm just adding demo CP plan. If you want, you can select plan type single releases or multi releases, where you'll have options to select multiple releases together. Once I selected the first release, you will have the end release as 1.2. It means it's starting and ending pointer for the releases. Portfolio item types, you can select it: features, theme, initiatives, and anything. As of now, in my projects, I am having mostly features. We work item by points accounts. You can also select it accordingly. As of now, I am going ahead with the story points. Click create and it will create board for you, where you can add many projects. This is the high level portfolio item types we have selected as features. You can add more number of projects from here. This is these points where you'll have how many points it's completed or story points, roll up, estimated, capacity base, every breakdown you can see it here. I wanted to include projects. I will add all the projects which is available in my instance, just to have more number of data so that we can work on it. Now we have projects added successfully. We have to also add all the features which is available in that projects. I will select all and you will see the entire feature is added successfully. I'll minimize this. Exactly same way I will also do it for other projects. Just to save the times, I'm selecting all, but it's not necessary you have to add everything from your projects. Whichever is relevant for your plan, you can add it. Rest all details, you can skip it. Let me quickly finish for all the projects and then we'll see the details. Whenever I'm adding the project task or features, you can see rank, ID, name, allocations, dependencies. As of now, there is no dependency available here, but I can even add the dependency based on the projects from other projects as well. So consider for this issues, I wanted to add dependency for this. It will be added successfully and you can see as one. It means true and false. If you're not adding, it will be false. It means there is nothing available. If you have added dependency, it will be highlighted with one. What is the state of your issues or portfolio item types? You can also see it here. This is the complete roll up and estimated counts. The way you'll update the data, it will get reflected. What is the estimated size? Preliminary, it's 8, but depending on your project's requirements, you can update it. And that's the reason initially I said if you wanted to update for multiple projects, we can add it here. The number of features which we'll add here, it's also highlighted some attentions required because it might not have the desired data, and that's the reason it's highlighted, where you can also see roll up, estimated details and everything. Whenever you want, you can even see capacity forecast, which is listed or available here. When I added the details, this data has updated successfully with roll up 2752 point estimated as 1072 and capacity base is 0 because we have not provided any base pointer for this. So consider I wanted to update some base point here. I can add those details and accordingly it will get modified or it will get updated. So this is how we can add all the items within the board. Do you know any other better way, or you're visiting this features first time? Feel free to add your answer in feedback. I really wanted to hear from you. What is the usage you are doing in Rally? So this is the project by totals. At any point of time you wanted to go ahead with the features, you can see it here. Consider you have missed adding some details from any projects. After creation of the capacity, you can also add it. So it doesn't mean that the items which you have included at first time, it is not giving you an options to edit it. You can edit it at any point of time. Page size, you can change it. Auto assign items to its current projects, that can be also doable. Once everything is updated, you're good to proceed. Alignment details, you can see it. Percentage of capacity plan. As of now, 100% of plan is none. Nothing is maintenance, cost saving, strategic growth, or short term growth. The way you'll feel the data, you will have the data listed. This is as per the estimated. You can even change it to roll up and complete details. Investment category, if you wanted to see based on portfolio item epic, that can be also available, but we don't have any epic in my project. That's the reason it's showing visible, not available. If you wanted to align with theme, that is also possible. Here you can see some of the items I've added with the theme names. Initiative is also available. Depending on the data, this wizard will be available in front of you where you can see the progress or reports. In terms of progress, you don't have much data available because we have not updated any of those details. And here, whenever your team is updating the details or features, you can see revision history. So this is by project details where you'll have your plans available. If you want, you can edit it, copy, delete, and publish. Let me publish it. Once it is published, this entire plan is available for everyone where you can see release versions have included v1.0 and v1.2. Features, we have these features listed, alignment with this one, progress with this, and whenever we want, we can copy, delete, and publish. At any point of time, you wanted to export the details, you can do it, and this exported data will be available for you in front of you. And every detail is highlighted in tabular format where you can see points roll up, points estimated, points complete, points estimated types, allocations. All those details are available into the Excel sheet, which is helpful for your team. What's your project status? How your team is struggling? Are you able to deliver as much as required fields? I will close this, and after that, once I will be back to my capacity planning, you will see this capacity planning is listed with the published view where we have projected to plan is 9 is added successfully because we have total 9 projects included within this total work items. If you wanted to use the full editor view, you can easily jump into this page. The more data you'll have, the more clear or crystal clear information is available in front of you. You can even perform sorting options in capacity plannings, features details, dependencies. You can update it at any point of time or add it whenever you want. In terms of preliminary estimates, this is the t-shirt sizes. For feature F2, we have allocated 64 story pointers. So the way you want, you can update the informations and this will showcase your entire project journey. What is the status of it, where your team is lying, what is the sprint value, how much you're still remaining and how much it's still completed. These all details you can easily share with your project management teams, and there will be a no clutter into your capacity planning details. This is also giving your teams visibility how much you can plan for the next upcoming features. So that's all from this video. Question for you: which type of projects you feel can be planned for using Rally as a capacity plannings? Let me know in comments. I will be happy to hear your project details in comment sections. At any point of time, you have any feedback, suggestions, or questions related to Rally project management tool, feel free to add in comments. If you want me to cover some other topics which is not available in Rally playlist, feel free to add the topic name. We'll be happy to create it for you. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share within your circles. This might help others to change their life or to add new skill set into their technical journey. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.